Hi, I'm Nicky Mooney, and I'm an attorney at Dean Mead, and I've been here for more than 20 years. Every day I work with employers, and some of the issues that we face are wage and hour concerns. Wage and hour is set up under many rules, including the Fair Labor Standards Act, or you've heard it called the FLSA. This is the federal scheme that sets up all of the overtime regulations. Recently, there has been a change to the FLSA, which affects the salary level. It comes into effect on December the 1st of this year. Under the overtime rules before, in order to be exempt from overtime, which means you don't get paid overtime, you had to both meet certain duties and you had to be paid a salary. Those rules are the same. But what has changed is that the salary level has been raised. It's been increased from $455 a week to $913 a week. And this is likely to significantly affect what you consider to be your exempt workforce. The overtime rules apply to almost all employers. And so these new changes are going to affect anybody who relies on the exemptions, especially those who are at or close to the salary level. And remember, that's $913, so you're going to have to look at what the difference is in your salaries to make sure you're compliant. As an employer, there are a number of things that you want to consider in order to be compliant by December the 1st. Number one, who does this affect in your workforce? The people that you are currently considering exempt, are they going to be at the new threshold level of $913 a week? If not, how are you going to treat them? Second, you need to know that this is likely to affect a lot of your exempt employees. Many people may fall now below the exempt threshold, salary threshold. If that's the case, you're going to have to record their hours. You are responsible as the employer to make sure you keep all of the time records for your employees. In addition, you're going to want to make sure that you look for the next 3 years for the increasing salary changes. One of the new rules is that the threshold is going to increase every 3 years now. This is new and has not been done in the past. So the first increase will occur in 2020. So you're going to want to calendar those dates to make sure that in advance you determine whether you remain compliant with the rules. Finally, you should probably consider speaking with a professional, an attorney, about whether or not you are compliant and how you can become compliant by December the 1st. If you need additional materials, we have a number of educational materials at our website, deanmead.com.